Hello, today I'm going to show you how to hard reset and delete all the data from your Garmin X10 2X Solar. Quick disclaimer, if you want to do this, please be sure that your watch is above 20% because the whole operation can drain the battery quickly, so be sure that your battery percentage is above 20%. So if you want to do this, you need to go to the menu by holding menu up button for about 2 seconds. Then you need to go down to the settings, all the way down to the system settings. This one, press the GPS button. Now you need to go down to the reset settings. As you can see, again, GPS button. Then you are going to choose the options that you want to. Reset default settings or delete data and reset settings. We're gonna choose this option. Then the watch is going to ask, are you sure about this operation? You click accept. Then you need to choose yes. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If it helped, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Bye.